Good morning everyone. I am Garima from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we are going to study chapter Infrared Absorption Spectroscopy. Introduction. Infrared absorption spectroscopy concerns the absorption of radiation in the infrared range and is probably the single most widely used method for investigating the structure of organic substance. The instrument used for recording the infrared spectra is known as infrared spectrophotometer. The infrared region of electromagnetic spectrum ranges from 0.8 to 200, but most of the infrared spectrophotometer has a range of 2.5. The infrared region between 0.8 and 2.5 is generally known as near infrared, and that between 15 and 200 is known as far infrared region. Since the organic molecule rarely undergo absorption of radiation in the near and far infrared region, they are seldom used for spectroscopic purpose. The various absorption band in an infrared spectra are referred to either by the wavelength and wave number in centimeter inverse of the radiation absorbed. Band intensity is expressed in terms of absorbance or transmittance, the two being related to each other as A is equal to log 1 by T. Basic theory of infrared spectroscopy: molecular vibrations. The atom consisting of a molecule are not held rigidly in fixed position. They are continuously rotating and vibrating in the number of ways. To have an idea of molecular vibration, let us compare a bond between two atoms in a molecule to weightless spring connecting two balls together. Just as the spring can be compressed and stretched or bent, the bond can be stretched or bent, giving rise to vibration in the molecule. There are two main kinds of molecular vibration. These are stretching vibration, bending vibrations. These are discussed below. Stretching vibration or bending stretching or bond stretching. In a simple diatomic molecule AB, the only vibration which are occur in rhythmic compression and extension along the AB bond. This type of periodic back and forth movement of atom along the covalent bond axis, which are compared to that of coiled spring, is known as stretching vibration or bond stretching. These are given in figure, which shows bond stretching in diatomic molecule. Types of stretching vibration. In triatomic or higher molecule, the stretching vibration can be of two types. Symmetrical stretching. In the stretching vibration in which movement of atoms with respect to a central atom in a molecule is in the same direction. In other words, all the bonds to the central atom are either stretched or compressed. Second, asymmetric stretching. In the stretching vibration in which one atom moves towards the central atom while other moves away from it. In other words, one bond is being stretched and other is being compressed. Bending vibration or deformation. In triatomic and higher molecule, there can be another type of vibration involving change of bond angle. Such vibrational movement are referred to as bending vibration or deformation. Bending vibration may be defined as periodic changes in a bond angle between bonds formed by two atoms which are themselves not interlinked with the central atom. Types of bending vibration. Bending vibration can be of four types. Scissoring. It is an in-plane bending vibration in which two atoms move towards each other, rocking. It is an in-plane bending vibration in which the two atoms move in the same direction, wagging. This is an out-of-plane bending vibration in which two atoms move simultaneously either above or below the plane with respect to central atom, twisting. It is an out-of-plane bending vibration in which one atom moves above and other moves down the plane with respect to central atom. Scissoring and rocking represent in-plane bending, while wagging and twisting represent out-of-plane bending. The different types of vibration in a molecule are very important for structure determination by infrared method. It may be noted that bending vibration require less energy than stretching vibration because it is easier to bend a bond than to stretch it. Principle of IR spectroscopy. We know that atoms consisting of molecule are not held rigidly in fixed position. They are continuously rotating and vibrating in the number of ways. The various modes of vibration possible in molecule depend primarily on the nature of bond themselves and to some extent on the nature of entire molecule. Absorption of infrared radiation by a bond increases the amplitude of vibration and also brings changes in rotational energy level. However, in the infrared range usually studied, the absorbed energy brings about predominant change in vibrational energy level. It is obvious that a given bond or a part of molecule can absorb only that wavelength of infrared radiation which will provide the photon of that particular amount of energy which is required to raise the vibrational energy level to a permitted value. As the infrared radiation of specific wavelength is absorbed, an absorption signal is produced. Thus, infrared spectroscopy is based upon absorption of infrared radiation by molecule in accordance with quantization of their vibrational energy level. It should be noted, however, all the bonds in molecule are not capable of absorbing infrared energy as discussed in session 1.5. The record of amount of infrared radiation of different wavelength absorbed to raise the vibrational energy level constitutes the infrared spectrum of molecule. Shown some of the stretching and bending vibration possible for an alcohol group COH and characteristics wavelength absorption. Due to these vibrations, a wavelength range is given for each of these vibration because the actual value will also be determined by the nature of rest of molecules. This figure shows some modes of vibration and characteristics absorption wavelength for a COH group. Unit in IR spectroscopy. The position of absorption of infrared radiation in IR spectroscopy is generally expressed in terms of wavelength or in terms of wave number. However, the wave number is usually treated as absorption band frequency. The wave number corresponding to wavelength of infrared range usually studied as from 4000 centimeter inverse to 667 centimeter inverse. Calculation of vibrational frequency, Hooke's law. The molecule of organic compound usually contain many C carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond and also some other bonds. Therefore, the analysis of various modes of vibration for a molecule is very difficult because all the atoms present in molecule contribute to vibrational modes. However, it is still possible to calculate approximately where a particular vibration mode will be appear in infrared spectrum by considering each bond present in molecule one at a time and ignoring the other bonds. Let us, for instance, consider the stretching vibration of two bonds atom. The stretching vibration can be compared to acceleration of two balls contained by a spring, where the ball present at the atom and spring represent the bonds. As such, the value of stretching vibration frequency of a bond can be calculated fairly accurately by application of Hooke's law, which may be represented as V is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root k by mu, where k is force constant in Dyne's centimeter inverse, which is related to strength of bond, and mu is known as reduced mass in gram per atom of a diatomic system. It is calculated from the expression mu is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2, where m1 and m2 are actual mass of two atoms in grams. Since v is equal to v by c, where c is the velocity of light, Hooke's law may be expressed as v naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi c under root k by mu. Hooke's law: if a body of mass m is hang on a spring and given a pull downward, it bring to undergo simple harmonic oscillation. According to Hooke's law, the force which tends to restore the body to its original position is proportional to displacement of a body from that position, that is F is equal to minus kx, where k is called force constant of spring. The spring will have a definite frequency of vibration, which is given by relation v is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root k by m. If two body of mass m1 and m2 respectively are connected by spring, the vibrational frequency of spin is given by relation v is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root k by mu, where mu is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 is known as reduced mass of system. When two atoms held together by a bond are compared to above oscillator, the vibration frequency of a bond mu can be calculated by applying the same relationship as given above. Factors which determine the vibrational frequency. The simple analogy between two bond atom and a simple oscillator helps us in knowing the frequency of various absorption band in infrared spectrum from the nature of atoms and strength of bond between them as illustrated below. The smaller the mass of bonded atom, the smaller is the reduced mass and therefore higher is the vibrational frequency. In other words, vibrational frequency is inversely proportional to reduced mass. The bands between hydrogen and other atoms has the highest known fundamental frequencies, but covalent compounds of halogen or most metals show infrared absorption of a very low frequency, which are too low to be recorded on a routine spectrophotometer. The force constant is a measure of strength of a bond and therefore its value increases with the increase in bond order. It is taken as approximate 5 into 10 k power 5 Dyne's centimeter inverse for a single bond between two atoms. For double and triple bond, the value are 10 into 10 raised to power 5 and 15 into 10 raised to power 5 Dyne's centimeter inverse respectively. In SI system, the value of k are approximately 500 and 1000 and 1500 nanometer inverse. With the increase in value of k corresponding to increase in bond strength, vibrational frequency also increases. In other words, vibration frequency is directly proportional to bond strength. It must be noted that intensity of absorption depends mainly on the polarity of bond. Simplified from the Hooke's law, for completing the value of V naught, a simplified form of Hooke's law may be obtained as below. Actual mass of atom is given by gram atomic mass of the atom by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 gram, where 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 is Avogadro number. Number of fundamental vibrations. It has been stated earlier that absorption of infrared radiation having energy equal to difference between two vibrational energy levels will lead to the vibrational transition. In the transition from ground state to the first excited state, light is absorbed strongly, and as a result intense band called fundamental absorption bands are produced. The number of fundamental absorption band exhibited by molecule is related to the fundamental ways of vibrating or vibration mode available to the molecule. In general, number of fundamental absorption band is equal to number of fundamental vibrational mode. Since a diatomic molecule has only one fundamental vibrational mode, that is stretching vibration, it gives rise to one fundamental absorption band. However, polyatomic molecule can have more than one kind of vibrational movement. They exhibit more than one fundamental absorption band as given below. Non-linear polyatomic molecule. It has been found that non-linear polyatomic molecule can have 3n-6 modes of fundamental vibration, where n is the number of atoms present in molecule. For example, water n is equal to 3 has 3 vibrational modes, each of which can be given a absorption band. Linear polyatomic molecule. A linear polyatomic molecule having n atoms can have 3n-5 fundamental vibration. For example, carbon dioxide has 4 vibrational modes, that is 3 into 3 minus 5. In case of larger molecules, the number of fundamental vibration give on increasing very rapidly with the increase in the value of n, but it has been observed that number of fundamental bands actually obtained is usually less than the expected from theoretical number of fundamental vibration. This may be due to the following reason. Some of the fundamental vibrations may be very weak and therefore may not be recorded as bands. Some of the fundamental vibrations may be very close, and as a result overlapping of a band may take place. Some of the fundamental vibration may involve energy change which falls outside of usual IR range 2.5 to 15. It is also interesting to note that sometimes additional bands such as combination bands, difference band, and overtone may also be exhibited as discussed a little later. Selection rules. Most of the molecule possessed dipole moment due to the presence of polar bonds linking the constituent atoms. When a polar bond undergoes stretching vibration along the intermolecular axis, a change in electron distribution of a band takes place. As a result of a dipole moment also undergoes a change. In other words, a vibration produces a fluctuating dipole moment. Interaction between the oscillating dipole moment and infrared radiation leads to absorption of energy from radiation, so that energy of vibration increases. This interaction and absorption of energy can occur only if the dipole moment at one extreme of vibration is different from the dipole moment at other extreme of vibration in a molecule. It is evident from the above discussion that a bond vibration can lead to absorption of infrared radiation only if it is accompanied by a change of dipole moment. As a result of comprehensive studies in the field of spectroscopy, certain generalizations have been made which determine whether a vibration would be effective for a particular type of spectrum or not. These are known as selection rules. For infrared spectrum, the rule is that only those vibrations are effective in causing absorption which are not centrosymmetric. That is, vibration are not symmetrical about the center of molecule. For example, symmetrical stretching vibration of CO2 are centrosymmetric and are not effective in infrared spectroscopy, while the asymmetric stretching vibration are not centrosymmetric and give rise to absorption in infrared region. Since most of the functional groups in organic chemistry such as the C double bond OH and NH undergoes vibration which are not centrosymmetric, they respond very well to infrared spectroscopy. Position and intensity of bands. Position of absorption bands. Depending upon the type of bonds present in molecule, various wavelengths are found to be absorbed in infrared spectrum of the molecule, giving rise to absorption bands. The position of absorption band depend upon the nature of a band or group. Absorption band characteristics of particular bond and or group indication the presence of that band or group in the molecule. For instance, in the spectrum recorded in figure 2.6, the absorption band at 3 mu m clearly estimates the presence of a hydroxyl group in the molecule. Similarly, the absorption of characteristics absorption band of the bond or group guarantees the absence of that particular bond or group. It may be noted, however, that the actual absorption pattern of band or group may vary slightly from one type of molecule to another. This is because the exact position of absorption band is also determined to a very small by the nature of rest of the molecule. Infrared spectrum can be usually divided into two regions for the purpose of its interpretation. Functional groups region in general absorption band from 2.5 to 8 mu m are accompanied with the change in vibrational states of various bonds. Accordingly, this region is characteristic of type of bonds present and may be termed as a functional group region of infrared spectrum. Fingerprint region. Absorption band in the region 8 mu m are generally associated with complex vibration and rotational energy change of molecule as a whole. This region is very useful for estimation whether two compounds are identical or different from each other. This is therefore referred to as fingerprint region. There are so many absorption bands in the fingerprint region that no two compounds, however closely related, can be identical IR spectrum in all details including intensity. On the other hand, two given sample have exactly the same infrared spectrum. It is a conclusive proof of the identity of two sample. Intensity of absorption band difference absorption band in infrared spectrum have different intensity. Intensity of absorption band is mainly dependent on the magnitude of change in dipole moment. The more the polar character of bond, the greater is the change in dipole moment and greater is the intensity of absorption. For example, a carbonyl group has a much higher dipole moment than carbon carbon double bond, and therefore it gives rise to absorption band of a much higher intensity than carbon carbon stretching absorption band. The intensity of absorption band also increases to small extent with the increase in concentration of molecule in sample and the number of absorbing groups in the molecule. Factors influencing vibrational frequency. We have seen that probable frequency of bond in its IR spectrum can be calculated with the help of Hooke's law. However, it has been found that calculation value of a bond is only in the tolerable agreement with the experimental value but never equal to it. This is because the vibration of each group is influenced by the structure of the rest of molecule in its immediate neighborhood. The important factor responding for the vibrational shift are given below. Electronic effect. While the substituent in the neighborhood of a particular group are changed, it brings about change in absorption frequency of that group due to electronic effects such as inductive effect and resonance effect. Due to these effects, the force constant or bond strength changes, while causes the absorption frequency shift from its normal value as illustrated below. Second is inductive effect. The presence of alkyl group in the vicinity of particular group causes plus I effect. As a result, bond length of that given group tends to increase or bond strength decreases. Consequently, the force constant is lowered and frequency or wave number of absorption decreases. This is clear from the following example showing the absorption value wave number of carbonic group in different compounds. It is obvious that greater the plus I effect, smaller the wave number. If on the other hand a group having minus I effect is present in neighborhood of a particular group, it increases the value of force constant. A result, the absorption shift of higher wave number as shown below in the terms of absorption wave number of carbonyl group in acetone, chloroacetone and dichloroacetone. It is apparent that greater the minus I effect, higher the wave number. Resonance effect. Resonance effect has significant influence on the absorption frequency in the infrared spectrum of many compounds. For instance, conjugation lowers the absorption frequency or wave number of ethnic bonds in conjugated dienes and of the carbonyl group in conjugation with the ethylene bond or aromatic ring. This is because conjugation tends to increase the bond length of group so that its bond strength decreases. This in turn lowers the force constant of a bond and the absorption frequency decreases. This is evident from the absorption frequency of CO stretching in the following compounds. It may be noted that in case of compounds where both the resonance effect and inductive effect operates but in opposite direction, the resonance effect may dominate over the inductive effect, or reverse may be true. For example, in acetophenone, conjugation tends to lower the absorption frequency of C double bond stretching, while minus I effect tends to increase the value, but resonance effect dominates minus I effect so that there is decrease in absorption frequency. Second, hydrogen bonding. The infrared spectra of absorption compound such as alcohol, phenol, and carboxylic acid and amines which exhibit hydrogen bonding are strongly influenced by the presence of hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonding result in the weakening of bond involved so that the force constant decreases and absorption shift towards lower frequency or wave number. Third, vibrational coupling. It has been observed that in some groups containing two or more similar atoms bonded to the central atom, the absorption frequency of bond is different from that of isolated bonds of same type. This is due to the mechanical interaction between the stretching vibration of the band known as vibrational coupling. For example, isolated CH bond has only one stretching frequency, but a CH group which has two CH bond involving a common carbon atom shows two absorption frequency, each of which occurs at different value as compared to isolated CH bond. That is because the stretching vibration of a 2CH bond in CH2 interact with each other in two different ways, asymmetric stretching and symmetric stretching, to give rise to coupled vibration. Due to asymmetric stretching, the absorption takes place at a higher wave number, while symmetric stretching shift the absorption to lower wave number than the isolated bond. Similarly, a CH3 group, NH2 group, NO2 group, and carboxylate ion shows coupled vibration due to asymmetric and symmetric stretching. Instrumentation mechanic of recording the IR spectra. Characteristics absorption region of various bonds. The characteristics infrared absorption region of various types of bond and functional group are calculated in the form of table called correlation table. Table 1.1 is the correlation of data on absorption pattern of some important bonds and functional group. The letter S, M, W and V denotes whether the intensity of absorption is strong, moderate, weak or variable. It should be reminded, however, that the table gives only the approximate position of absorption band, but as already studied, the exact position of absorption band of a particular bond depends upon its actual molecular environment. Table 1.1 shows some characteristics infrared absorption regions. Here the special features of some compounds are given, such as alkenes. Infrared spectrum of alkenes shows many characteristics absorption which can be very useful in structure determination. Most predominant peak in the vinyl stretching at the slightly greater than 3000 centimeter inverse. The actual position depending upon the extent of substituent in alkane. C double bond carbon stretching vibration give rise to bands of variable intensity at 680 to 620. Conjugation shift the position to lower frequency and increases the intensity of absorption. The important absorption bands are summed up in table 1.3. This table gives the alkenes, their types of vibration and position of band and intensity. Third is alkynes. They exhibit a strong absorption band for carbon hydrogen stretching near 3300 and another intense band carbon hydrogen banding at 650 or 610 centimeter inverse. A weak carbon stretching absorption band occurs at 2100 to 2260 centimeter inverse. The band is more intense for terminal alkyl than non-terminal Alkynes. Cycloalkane exhibit mainly CH stretching absorption band. The region of absorption moves to higher value with the increase in angle strain. For example, CH stretching for cyclopropane is at 3550 centimeter inverse, while for cyclohexane is at 2990 centimeter inverse. Aromatic hydrocarbon. These compound exhibit CH stretching absorption at 3000 centimeter inverse. Carbon stretching absorption at 1600 to 1450 centimeter inverse. There are four predominant carbon stretching bands at 1600, 1580, 1500 and 1450. Absence of these bands means that the compound is not aromatic. There are also number of carbon hydrogen bending bands at 900 to 700 centimeter inverse. The actual number are and position of these bands depend upon the extent and position of substituent of aromatic ring. The table gives aromatic hydrocarbons, their type of vibration and position of band and intensity. Next is hydroxyl compounds. Alcohol. The COOH functional group of alcohol gives the characteristics OH stretching absorption band in the infrared spectrum, but as we might expect, this absorption is significant influenced by hydrogen bonding. If there are no hydrogen bonding, and alcohol give a sharp variable bands at 3640 to 3610 centimeter inverse. In the associated state involving intramolecular hydrogen bonding, a strong broad band appears at 3400 to 3200 centimeter inverse. In case of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the OH stretching band appeared at 3570 to 3450 centimeter inverse and is of variable intensity. In addition, alcohols also exhibit a strong and broad band in range 1200 to 1000 due to CO stretching. The exact location of a band depends upon whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Therefore, it can be used to determine the class of alcohols. This table gives the type of vibration and intensity of alcohols. The complete spectra of alcohol, of course, exhibit other absorption band as well due to the presence of other structural units such as carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond. This is quite evident from IR spectrum of ethyl alcohol such as figure 1.6 give earlier. Second, phenol. As in case of alcohol, phenol exhibit a strong band due to OH stretching in range 3600 to 3200. However, the CO stretching band in phenol appears in higher range as compared with alcohols. Infrared spectrum of paracresol is given in figure 1.7. Next is ethers. The infrared spectra of ethers are characterized by strong absorption band in region 1300 to 1000 centimeter inverse due to CH stretching vibration. Alkyl ether shows a single absorption in the region 1150 to 2060 centimeter inverse. Aryl and vinyl ether exhibit a strong band in the region 1275 to 1200 centimeter inverse and a weaker band in the region 1200 to 1075 centimeter inverse. Next is the CO stretching absorption band of ethers are similar to those of alcohol, carboxylic acid and ethers. However, ethers are disintegrate from alcohols by the absence of OH stretching at 3600 to 3200 inverse. Similarly, ethers can be disintegrated from carboxylic acid and esters by the absence of carbon double bond oxygen stretching absorption at 1770 to 1680 centimeter inverse. Next is aldehyde and ketones. The infrared spectra of aldehydes and ketone are extremely useful in detecting the presence of these compounds. The carbonyl group in this class of compound shows a strong carbon double bond stretching band around 1700 centimeter inverse. The actual position of band depending upon the nature of group attached to carbonyl group. First is aldehyde. The position of carbon double bond oxygen stretching absorption band in aldehyde varies slightly accordingly as the aldehyde is a saturated aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Further, the presence of electron releasing group plus I effect shifts the absorption to lower value while the electron attracting group shift the absorption to higher value. In addition to carbon double bond oxygen stretching band, aldehyde shows characteristics carbon hydrogen stretching band near 28-20 centimeter inverse to 27-20 centimeter inverse. Generally, the band near 27-20 centimeter inverse is seen and is very useful in disintegrating aldehyde from ketones. This gives table 1.7 the types of vibration, position of band and intensity of aldehydes. Next is ketones. The CO stretching band in ketone appear at lower frequency or wave number as compared to aldehyde due to large plus I effect operating in ketones. The carbon double bond oxygen stretching absorption takes place at slight lower value of aromatic ketones and alpha beta unsaturated ketone. In case of cycloalkanes, the position of carbon double bond oxygen stretching band depends upon the size of ring. As the size of ring decreases, the absorption shift towards the higher value due to increase in angle strain. Table 1.8 gives the types of vibrations of ketones. It may be emphasized that carbon double bond oxygen stretching band is also given by carboxylic acid and their derivatives. However, these compounds also show certain other bands which helps in disintegrating them from aldehyde in ketones. For example, carboxylic acid also shows broad OH band in the region 3000 to 2500 centimeter inverse in the addition to carbonyl band. Carboxylic acid. The infrared absorption spectra of carboxylic acid exhibit a number of absorption band which are very helpful in the detection of COH functional group. There is a very broad and intense band in 3000 to 2500 centimeter inverse range due to OH stretching. This is clearly indicative of stronger hydrogen bonding than in alcohol, where the OH stretching band is the reason 3600 to 3200 centimeter inverse. Another strong bond appears around 1700 to 1680 centimeter inverse for aromatic acids and 1725 to 1700 centimeter inverse due to carbon double bond oxygen stretching. In addition, carboxylic acid also show a carbon oxygen stretching band at above 1250 centimeter inverse and bending band for OH near 1400 centimeter inverse to 920 centimeter inverse broad. This table gives carboxylic acid types of vibration, position of band and intensity. Next is carboxylic acid derivatives. As expected, the infrared spectra of acid derivatives are characterized by presence of strong carbon oxygen stretching bands. The exact frequency of band depend upon the nature of compound. Thus, acid chloride shows a strong band at 1815 to 1785 centimeter inverse, while acid anhydride exhibit two strong bands at 1840 to 1800 centimeter inverse and 1780 to 1740 centimeter inverse. However, in conjugation acid chloride and anhydride, these band occurs at 1520 centimeter inverse lower frequency. Amines show carbon double bond oxygen stretching bands at 1690 to 1650 centimeter inverse. Saturated aliphatic esters give the carbon double bond oxygen band around 1740 centimeter inverse. Alpha beta unsaturated esters and aryl esters exhibit the band at 1730 to 1750 centimeter inverse, while vinyl esters and phenyl esters shows the band around 1770 centimeter inverse. Esters and anhydride also gives two strong carbon oxygen stretching band in the region 1350 to 1050 centimeter inverse. This serves to distinguish them from ketones. Acid chloride show carbon chlorine stretching bands in 1800 to 650 centimeter inverse range. Amines show CNH stretching band at 3500 to 3100 centimeter inverse and NH bending bands around 1600. Unlike carboxylic acid derivatives do not give any broad OH stretching band. The main feature of spectra of acid derivative as sum up in table 1.10. Next is amines. The infrared spectra of amines also show characteristics absorption band due to NH stretching, NH bending and NH stretching. The number and position of band depending upon the class which amines belong. Primary and secondary amines exhibit moderately weak absorption at 3500 to 3200 centimeter inverse due to NH stretching vibration. However, primary amines have two such bands in this region, while secondary amines show only one band. Tertiary amines do not have any NH bands in the molecule and therefore they do not exhibit such bands. Hydrogen bonding tend to shift the NH band towards lower frequency, but the shift is not as much as in the case of hydroxyl groups. This is because the hydrogen bending in amines is weaker than in hydroxyl compounds. Primary amines exhibit moderately strong NH bending bonds at 1650 to 1560 centimeter inverse, while secondary amines show weak bands of this type around 1600 to 1500 centimeter inverse. The CN stretching bands of aliphatic amines appears in the range 1230 to 1030 centimeter inverse. The intensity of absorption being weak. On the other hand, aromatic amines exhibit two strong bands at 1360 to 1180 centimeter inverse due to CN stretching. This band may be used to distinguish between aliphatic and aromatic amines. This figure shows the infrared spectrum of N-butyl amine. Next is nitriles. The infrared spectrum of nitriles are characteristic by presence of C and stretching absorption band at 2260 to 2220 of variable intensity. Conjugation with double bond or aromatic ring shift the absorption towards lower frequency. Nitro compounds. The infrared spectra of nitro compounds show two strong bands at about 1560 and 1350 due to symmetrical and asymmetrical stretching of N double bond oxygen bond. Primary nitrogen compounds absorb at higher frequency as compared to secondary, while tertiary compounds absorb at even lower frequency. Conjugation of nitro groups with an aromatic ring moves these bands to lower frequency. For example, nitrobenzene shows absorption band at 1525 and 1350 centimeter inwards. The next and last topic of this chapter is applications of infrared spectroscopy. The infrared spectroscopy is a highly characteristic property of a substance, and examination of infrared spectrum can aid chemical investigation in many ways. The important applications are as follows: identification of substance. Infrared spectroscopy is very often used to establish whether a given sample of organic substance is identical with another or not. Due to the large number of absorption band found in the infrared spectra of organic compound, the probability that any two compounds will provide identical spectra is practically zero. This means that if two samples afford identical spectra under similar condition of measurement, they may be sample of same substance. However, the condition of recording the spectra as a physical state of the sample solvents, uses and concentration of substance solutions may be the same, because a substance may provide appreciably different spectra under different sets of condition. It may be noted that the infrared spectra of two enantiomeric compounds taken under the same condition are exactly identical. In other words, infrared spectroscopy fails to differentiate between enantiomers. Second, determination of functional group and molecular structure. Infrared spectroscopy is very helpful in determining the molecular structure of unknown substance. From an examination of position of absorption bands in spectra, it is often possible to establish the nature of group present in the molecule. For example, if a spectra contains a strong band at 5.82 mu m, the compound concentrates must contain a carbonyl group. This information in conjugation with the study of other band may tell a great deal about the structure of compound. It is obvious that if a spectra does not contain absorption band typical of particular functional group, the absorption does not contains that group. Studying the progress of reaction. Progress of a chemical reaction can be readily followed by examining the spectra of small positions of resin mixture withdrawn from time to time. The rate of disappearance of characteristic absorption band of reactant group, or the rate of increasing absorption band due to the formation of some products, help in studying the progress of reaction. For example, the gradual disappearance of hydroxyl stretching frequency at 2.74 to 2.78 and the Consequent appearance of carbonyl stretching frequency at 5.68 to 5.95 μm can be used to study the oxidation of a alcohol to a carbonyl compound. Similarly, the systematic interpretation of IR spectra can be used very useful in determining whether a reaction has occurred to give the expected product or not. Last is detection of impurities. It is possible to determine whether a compound is pure or not provided the reference spectra of pure compound is available. In contrast with the spectra of pure compound, the spectra of impure sample is blurred and not as sharp and contains many extra bands. For example, the presence of ketone as a impurity in an alcohol leads to rather poor spectrum having additional absorption bands due to carbonyl groups. So here our chapter infrared spectroscopy is completed. Thank you.